Just need to point this out. So, I heard that Glue My Stew's garage door got stuck, and he said that he got his what's it called? His springs replaced like I think a week ago or something. Cause sorry about the brightness. My garage door was only built with one, but mostly new houses with garage doors are mostly built with two. That's what I heard. And here's the wall button, a 880 LM. Heads all the way up there into the ceiling. Heads right up there to the opener. I'm going to get close to the opener right now. Alright, so I remember Shepherd Wolf was talking about that his one did not have a emergency release cable. Well, you're not alone, but my one doesn't have a emergency release cable also. Right up there, I think we're supposed to install it. I probably might install it soon. Here's the emergency release cable right here. If you're wondering what car is this is my Hummer. It's finally fixed. But anyways, I also have never seen a T-rail ever bend like that. But I've seen on one video like this whole top panel right here like was so bended. Like the door, like the arm like kind of went a little upwards, like it's bended like kind of like this ish. And it caused the opener to open the door back up for some reason. And yeah.